Welcome to the video today. We are going to be drilling a ceramic plate with hole saw bits that are diamond crusted tips. These can be used in a handheld cordless drill, or you can use them in a drill press. For the project today, I'm going to use a drill press. It's my personal preference only because I feel that it offers more stability and consistency when you are applying pressure to your project and cutting your material. It does not mean that a cordless handheld drill could not be used or do an effectively good job as well. Just a personal preference. Some of the other materials that we're going to use for our project today are a container of water, a small block of wood, and a drill press. Getting started, the size of bit I'm using is a 2.5 centimeter diameter bit. You want to place your wood in the water first with your material on top and have a secure grip before you start drilling. With a secure grip on your material on top of your wood in the water, turn on your drill press and begin applying slow, steady pressure to your material. Once you have drilled all the way through your material, you'll feel the tension or the resistance immediately release or disappear from the drill, and you will also hear a change in sound. It can take up to a couple of minutes to drill through your material. It depends on the material that you're drilling and the hardness of it. Applying too much pressure too quickly, you also risk breaking your material, so going slow is preferable and definitely the safest method for your material. But also having your project submerged in water while you're drilling it is protecting it because it's keeping your bit cool and your material cool. Unfortunately, I did not record this video at a time when my water was clear. I had already done several cuts, and as you can see, after a few cuts, your water starts to turn cloudy and opaque. Sometimes during the cutting process, you'll find that your finished circle stays inside the bit after you finish your cut. Don't panic, just use something narrow and skinny like a toothpick, a Q-tip, or drill bit like I'm using, and just gently maneuver it out of the bit. Now that we're finished all of our cuts, let's inspect our circles. You'll notice that the edges on some are perfect and others they're a little bit rough or there's a bit of a bevel and they're not absolutely perfect. This is fixable by either using a stone grinder or a rock tumbler, something to smooth out the edges. We cut a lot of holes into this plate today, but it could still survive a couple more smaller size holes or other tumbling projects. Thanks very much for joining me today for this project where we drilled perfect size holes out of this ceramic plate. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see future videos like this or similar, hit the subscribe button. Thanks very much.